Here's how to download and install software for any Redragon product. Go to either redragonzone.com or redragonshop.com. Click Download and select your specific product. Using Redragon Shop tends to be slightly easier. Click Software, scroll to your device category, for example mouse, and click the matching software for your model, such as the 602 software. Once downloaded, drag the file to your desktop. Open the downloaded file using 7-zip. If you do not have 7-zip yet, download it for free from its official website first. Right-click the file, go to 7-zip, and click Extract Here. This will create a folder containing the installer. Open the folder and double-click Setup. Then follow the on-screen installation steps. Once complete, the software should open automatically, ready to configure your Redragon device. You can delete the leftover installer files afterward if you want to clean up your desktop. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.